How to order on GoPuff app. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application GoPuff and make sure you are logged into a specific account. In the search bar, search for the product that you want to buy, or else you can also head over to My Bag. It will show you all the items that you have added to cart. Let's say you want to buy all of the product over here. What you want to do is tap on checkout at the bottom. Now you will need to enter your detailed informations. Enter your full name, your phone number, your email address, and the gift message. Once you have provided all of the details, tap on save at the bottom. Add the suitable payment method and make the payment. Once the payment is done, tap on place order and your order will be placed successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was our tutorial video on how to order on GoPuff app. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.